Hey everybody, so after getting that other Scarface toy, I actually decided in the end to get this Blitzway one because it's kind of hard to find over in this country and I got a good deal in it, so I thought why not. So here's the front cover. It does have a little bit of a rip down there though, but it's not too bad. And then you got the sides and then the back, not too bad. I'm just going to open it up and put this to the next stage. So here is the figure. You get Tony Montana, of course, from Scarface in his suit. Extra hand, cigar, another extra hand, and his gun. And you get his throne. Let's get this all out. So here is all open. You get his gun, what actually comes undone, I'm sure, a little bit. And second. Maybe not. Has a little bit of cockback action though. Pretty sure the magazine comes out also, but it's a bit stuck. You get his hand with his tattoo. Silly thing not concentrating. His tattoo on there. And get his cigar. Shame it's not a bit brown. And get his other hand. What are both? Look like, yep, both left hands also. That's cool. You get his chair or throne. It's very nicely detailed. Made out of like leather material. It's got a good weight to it also. And then you get the main thing, of course, Tony Montana. Oh, it looks really good. Looks like Al Pacino. His chains, his body. You've got his gun holster there. Even like do his body properly with this one's. It's not like Hot Toys where it's a bit like they do part of it and then look less good. They actually do all the sculpt of the body. And that's just really good how they do the belts also. It's really crafted well. I can see why these are worth a lot more money than the Hot Toys version. Looks really good. I'm really happy with that. Good price and a good figure. And of course he'll just be near his chair. I'll take a picture at the end, guys, to show you what it looks like all posed up. That's for me then. Take care. Bye.